Monday, guys. We're going to start with some fun activities this week, so it's going to be a pretty short and sweet email and video starting off for today. The first thing is, if you have any missing work, which you would have gotten some emails from Mr. Lund or myself, make sure that you are turning that in today and checking in with either Mr. Lund or myself today with a Zoom or email so that we can make sure you are caught up so you can join us for the fun activities that we have planned. For your steps today, very simple. Check in with your attendance in your email like you have been. Watch the video. And then also to do the survey that we're going to have linked right in here. Just a survey over the year and everything that's kind of gone on. We want to see how it is. So please make sure to do the survey. Then take a look at our schedule for the next 4 days in this fifth grade awesomeness link. So if you take a look, it says choose what you would like to do and attend. You may attend one session per day. Each session will be roughly a half an hour. So if you look for tomorrow for 10 a.m., Miss Schoolin will be doing an art lesson. Miss Hess is going to be USA National Parks in Alaska, Hawaii, and Utah. Mrs. Mickelson's going to be in Disney World, and you get to ride some rides, check out the food, and then the fireworks show at the end. Mr. Lund will be doing some survival solutions like we were at Long Lake building a shelter, and you'll click in to meet with him. Mr. Green is going to join us tomorrow and do a tour of Barsness Park, trip to the Giants table. And we also have Miss Breitbach joining us to go to the San Diego Zoo, as well as Mr. Gus for the Bohemian Coral Reef. And hopefully, if there's enough time afterwards, you get to check out his awesome saltwater tank that he has at his house. So you get to pick any of these to go to at 10 o'clock. You're just going to click, not all of them are live links yet, but they will be as of tomorrow. You just click into them, go to that Zoom, and you will get to start doing that tour. And you can kind of look ahead at some things that will be going on throughout the week. If you notice, Mr. Draxton will be joining us on Thursday. If you'd like to do something with his, Mrs. Hess is changing hers up on Wednesday and Thursday. And Miss Schoolin will be doing the same art lesson each day. Miss Brightbox going to a different zoo every day. Mr. Lund will be doing a different Long Lake survival on Wednesday and Thursday as well with drinkable water. So just check it out, see which one you want to attend. We're so excited to do these fun activities with you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow.